You've studied grammar. You've memorized vocabulary. You've passed tests. But when you walk into a real conversation, at a cafe, a store, or just on the street, your mind freezes. The words are there, somewhere, but your mouth, silent.
It's frustrating, isn't it? You know English, but it doesn't come out when you need it most. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Fluency isn't built in a classroom. It's built in moments. Moments that feel awkward. Moments that push you. Moments that sound like real life.
And that's exactly what we're doing today. No grammar lessons, no boring drills. Just powerful, real-world English conversations reimagined for you.
So if you want to sound more natural and actually feel confident when you speak English, this is your moment.
Because real fluency isn't a test you pass, it's a skill you live, and it starts right now.
Welcome to the PP Podcast, Practice English Podcast. I'm Danny, here with Welly, and today's episode is something special. We're not just talking about English. We're going to show you how to live it, through real conversations.
If you've ever struggled to speak naturally in English, if your mind goes blank in everyday situations, this episode is for you.
We're bringing you into daily life, at a hotel, a restaurant, a bookstore, a coffee shop, and showing you what fluent English sounds like, without the pressure.
You'll hear realistic dialogues. But more than that, we'll break them down, explain useful expressions, and guide you through how to sound confident and natural.
You don't need to memorize rules. You need to connect with how English is really used.
And to help with that, we've created a free PDF with the most useful vocabulary, sample dialogues, and conversation tips from today's episode. Download it now, link in the description.
So get ready. Real people, real talk, real English. Let's step into the world of natural conversation together.
Let's clear something up right now. You don't need another grammar rule. What you need is a conversation.
Real conversations are like a shortcut. They give you rhythm, pronunciation, and vocabulary, all in one. It's how kids learn, and it still works when you're an adult.
Think about it. When was the last time you remembered a sentence from a textbook? Now compare that to a sentence someone actually said to you. Which one stuck?
Exactly. When you hear English used in context, at a coffee shop, a bookstore, or just chatting with a friend, your brain lights up. It connects words with emotions, visuals, and meaning.
That's why we're doing things differently today. We're going to simulate those real moments. You'll listen to short, practical dialogues. You'll hear natural English in everyday situations.
And the best part? You'll start to feel it. The confidence that comes from actually understanding what's being said. Not just translating it, not guessing, but really getting it.
So get ready. Because in the next chapter, you'll step right into a hotel lobby and hear English exactly how it's spoken in real life. Hotels are one of the first places you speak English when traveling. And yet, those little moments, like asking for breakfast or getting your room key, can feel intimidating.
That's why this scene matters. You'll hear a real check-in experience. Calm, clear, and full of useful phrases you can actually use.
Good morning. We're checking in. The reservation is under Sophie Bennett.
Welcome, Ms. Bennett. One moment, please. Yes, we have your reservation here. One queen room for 2 nights, correct?
Yes, that's right. Is breakfast included?
Yes. A continental breakfast is served from 7 to 10 a.m. every morning in the dining area.
Perfect. Can we get a room with a view if possible?
You're in luck. I've just upgraded you to a room on the 5th floor. It has a nice view of the city.
Wow. Thank you. That's a great surprise.
You're welcome. Here's your key card. The elevator is down the hall to your right.
Thanks. One more question. Do you offer airport transfers?
Yes, we do. Would you like me to schedule one for your departure?
That would be great. We're flying out Friday morning.
Got it. I'll arrange everything and leave a note in your room. Enjoy your stay.
Thanks so much.
We already are.
Ordering food is something we all do, but in another language, it can feel like a challenge.
So let's make it simple. In this scene, you'll hear natural English at a restaurant. Questions, specials, and small talk that make the meal smoother.
This place looks nice. I'm starving.
Me too. The decor is beautiful. It smells amazing. Yeti.
Good evening. Welcome. Table for two?
Yes, please.
Right this way. Here are your menus. Would you like something to drink while you decide?
Can we have a pot of green tea?
Of course. I'll be right back.
Everything looks good. I'm thinking of getting the daily special.
What is today's special?
Today's special is grilled salmon with vegetables. It comes with soup, but not salad.
I'll have that, please, and no salad for me.
I'll take the same, but can I add a salad on this side with the house dressing?
Certainly. I'll get that started for you right away. Enjoy your tea.
Thank you.
Libraries are more than quiet places. They're full of language, curiosity, and great chances to use real English.
In this next scene, Leo is looking for a good book. And Mia? She's full of ideas and opinions. Get ready for natural phrases you'll use in any bookshop or reading chat.
Hi, I'm looking for a new book to read. Do you have anything exciting?
You're in the right place. What kind of stories are you into?
Something short, fun, and maybe with a bit of magic.
How about this one? The main character's a wizard, and the chapters are pretty short.
Sounds promising. What's it about?
Adventure, mystery, and a magical cat that solves problems. I read it last year. It's fun and fast-paced.
Sold. I'll take it. Can I check it out now?
Absolutely. Do you have your library card?
Yep, here you go.
Perfect. The return date is in 3 weeks. Enjoy your magical mystery.
Thanks. I'll let you know if I figure out how to borrow. That cat, too.
I love that. A magical cat and short chapters? That's my kind of reading.
I'm just impressed Leo remembered his library card. That's already a win in adulting.
Coming up, some practical vocabulary to describe real-life situations just like this one.
Let's slow down and highlight a few practical words from the first part of today's episode.
These are simple, useful words that can help you speak naturally in real conversations, especially at restaurants and hotels.
Reservation. Definition. An arrangement made in advance to keep a spot for you, like at a restaurant or hotel. Example. I called the restaurant to make a reservation for lunch.
Dressing. Definition. A sauce or mixture added to salads to give flavor. Example. I asked for house dressing on the side of my salad.
Special. Definition. A featured dish or offer that's not always on the regular menu. Example. I ordered the daily special because it looked delicious.
Vegetables. Definition. Plants or parts of plants used as food, like carrots, broccoli, or spinach. Example. I prefer restaurants that offer lots of fresh vegetables.
These are the kind of words you'll hear and use again and again.
So say them out loud. Practice with a partner. Use them when you order food. That's how English becomes part of your everyday life.
Let's move to one of the most common English situations, grabbing coffee on the go.
It sounds simple, but for English learners, even ordering a drink can feel like a test. That's why we're focusing on a scene that's short, practical, and incredibly useful in everyday life.
Hi there. I'd like 2 drinks for takeout, please.
Sure, what would you like?
First, I'll take an extra large iced coffee. What kinds of milk do you have?
We offer regular, skim, fat-free, almond, soy, and oat milk.
I'm trying to cut calories. What do you recommend?
In that case, skim milk is a good option.
Great. I'll take it with skim, and the second drink is a medium iced vanilla latte with regular milk.
Perfect. Anything else?
Nope, that's all. What's the total?
That comes to $11.13.
I'll pay by credit card. Oh, and I have a points card. But it's in my other wallet.
No problem. You can just give me your phone number and I'll add the points.
Sure, it's 501-2 to 7363.
Got it. Your drinks will be ready in a few minutes on the counter to your left.
Thanks a lot. Have a great day.
You too!
How comfortable do you feel speaking English at the bank?
For many learners, even a simple deposit can turn into a moment of panic. New vocabulary, quick questions, and money on the line.
That's why today's example is calm, clear, and directly from real life.
You'll hear useful expressions for checking balances, making deposits, and handling your banking like a pro.
Good morning. I'd like to deposit this check, please.
Sure thing. Could I see your bank card first?
Of course. Here you go.
Thanks. Now just enter your PIN on the keypad.
Done.
Perfect. May I have the check now?
Here it is.
Thanks. Please hold on a moment while I process it.
No problem.
All right. Your check has been successfully deposited.
Great. Could you also tell me my current balance?
Absolutely. I'll print it for you on a receipt.
Thanks. I'm trying to stay more organized with my money.
That's a great habit. Most people forget to check until something goes wrong.
Well, I'm learning, step by step.
That's the best way to do it. And here's your receipt. You're all set.
Thanks again. This was actually easier than I expected.
Glad to hear it. Come back anytime.
Have you ever tried speaking English at a grocery store and suddenly forgot how to say cabbage?
It happens. Grocery shopping is full of everyday words we rarely practice, but use all the time.
So in this chapter, you'll hear a family doing exactly that, talking through a real shopping list in English.
And you'll pick up tons of useful phrases for your next supermarket trip.
Do you have the shopping list, Mia?
Yep, right here. Let's start with vegetables. We need carrots, onions, broccoli, cabbage, and mushrooms.
Got it. Carrots are on sale 10 for $3. Should we get more?
Let's stick with 5. We don't want anything going to waste.
All right. What's next?
Fruits. We need bananas and apples. No oranges. We still have some at home.
You've got a memory like a calculator. Bananas and apples check.
Now eggs and cheese. Could you grab a carton of eggs?
Sure. Gotta be careful, these crack if you even look at them wrong.
Nice catch. For cheese, do you want cheddar or mozzarella?
How about marble? Best of both worlds.
Perfect. One last thing. Chocolate.
Chocolate, that wasn't on the list.
Because I added it. For being such a helpful shopping partner.
Well played. Mia, 1 bar coming up.
If you've ever tried to agree on a movie with someone, you know, this can turn into a full-blown negotiation.
And in English? Even harder. You need genre words, polite disagreement, and a little bit of charm.
In this scene, Leo and Mia are picking a movie together. Listen closely. You'll hear useful phrases for expressing opinions and compromising in English.
So, what kind of movie do you want to watch tonight?
I'm in the mood for something funny. Maybe a good comedy.
I don't really like comedies. I was hoping for a romantic drama or maybe some action.
Romance, you know that's not really my thing. What about an animated film?
Depends, what's it about?
Dancing animals that sing pop songs, it's definitely made for kids.
Pass, we're not 5.
Okay. What about a horror movie?
I'm listening. What's it about?
Zombies, lots of action, some suspense, and, weirdly enough, a love story between a human and a zombie.
Wait, a zombie romance?
Yup, it's absurd but kind of hilarious.
Okay, I'm curious now. Let's do it. 2 tickets for the zombie love story, please.
Let's go over 4 practical words from our last chapters. Each one pulled directly from real. Conversations. These words aren't just useful, they're everywhere in daily life.
Right. And they'll help you express yourself more naturally when talking about shopping, money, and even movies.
Sale. Definition. A time when something is sold for less money than usual. Example. The carrots were on sale, so Ben and his dad got a better price.
Skim. Definition. A type of milk with very low fat. Example. I asked for skim milk in my iced coffee to keep it lighter.
Balance. Definition. The amount of money you have in your account. Example. After I deposited the check, I asked for my current balance.
Romance. Definition. A feeling of love or a story about love. Example. Mia didn't want to watch a movie with too much romance. She finds them boring.
Now it's your turn. Say each word out loud. Use them in your thoughts, your journal, or your next conversation.
Because when you can use a word, you don't just know it, you own it.
We all want to be healthier, eat better, sleep more, move our bodies. But talking about health in English? That's a habit worth building, too.
Exactly. In this scene, Leo A. and Mia aren't following a strict plan. They're just talking about habits, goals, and how to support each other through change.
You know what's weird? I always say I want to be healthier, but I never know where to start.
Start small. I added a 15-minute walk after lunch. Nothing intense, just movement.
That actually sounds doable. I usually just scroll through my phone after eating.
Replace that with a quick walk or stretch. Anything to break the cycle.
And what about food? I'm not exactly a salad person.
Then don't force it. Just try adding 1 vegetable a day. Make it tasty. Make it fun.
Okay, carrots and hummus it is.
See, that's a win already.
You're like a healthy habit coach.
I'll take it. And you? You're showing up. That's the hardest part.
When we talk about change, even simple changes, we reinforce the mindset we need to grow.
So here's your next challenge. Have a short conversation in English about one healthy habit you want to try. Even just saying it out loud makes it more real.
You don't have to memorize perfect scripts to speak English well.
You just need one real conversation at a time.
You practiced how to speak at a hotel, in a restaurant, at a bank, in a bookstore, and even when you're choosing a movie.
Each of these scenes gave you tools, vocabulary, flow, confidence.
But remember, real progress doesn't happen all at once. It happens every time you speak, listen, or try.
So ask yourself, what's one place you can practice today? Even a small conversation counts.
And if you want to keep learning, we've got something special for you.
Download your free PDF below with today's full vocabulary, expressions, and speaking tips.
Use it to review, practice, and build your English, one conversation at a time.
We believe in your voice.
Now it's time for you to use it.
And if you're ready to take the next step, your next conversation starts now. Tap the episode that just appeared on your screen. It's packed with real-life tools to help you speak English with ease and confidence.
We'll see you there. And until then, keep speaking, keep growing, keep going.